Hello Tesla drivers, want to turn off location tracking on your Tesla for more privacy, whether it's for personal reasons or just want to limit data sharing. I'll show you how to manage Tesla's GPS settings step by step. So Tesla's GPS tracking tracks your car for navigation, autopilot and app features like remote locking. You can't fully disable GPS as it's built into the car's hardware, but you can limit data sharing. Disabling some settings may affect navigation or summon mode, so weigh the trade-offs first. So guys, on your Tesla's touchscreen, tap the car icon, bottom left, then safety, and then allow mobile access and toggle it off. So this is the interface, and as you can see, there's a allow mobile access right over here in the bottom. Sorry for the screenshot quality. After that, enter your Tesla account password to confirm. This stops the Tesla app from showing your car's location to you or others, like family members, but it also limits app features like remote climate control. To verify, check the app. It should show no location data. To stop location tracking on the car's map, you need to go to Controls, Navigation, and rotate or move the map manually. After a few seconds, a tracking disabled message appears, and the map icon turns gray. This keeps your current location private without affecting mobile access. So that's how to stay secure and also private and reduce location-based recordings. If you like this video, share the video to your friends and family. Like and subscribe, ring the bell for more tech trends and to not miss the next video. See you next time.